so. Oh no! You heard that too, right? The tornado is touching the ground and the sky is turning to piss! We are so screwed! There it is! Oh my gosh! Hey, it's okay, don't have a seizure. Deep breaths. We can handle it. Ah! Ah! Help me! Run! Alex, where'd you go? Ow! There's a window. What am I, a freaking bird? Oh! No! Home, Alex! This is our life now! We're stuck here until we die! Yeah, exactly! Alex, we have to man up, or woman up, or they/them up, and face the storm! We have to face the storm, okay? It's our job! You'll get fired if we don't try! Let's walk out! Let's face the storm! Ew, God. Let's go! May it have mercy on our souls! I just fell! Oh, Bummy, you good? Come on, let's go! So, like, is anything gonna happen? Like, I'm not say hard difficulty, I feel something bad was gonna happen. The round's kind of already ending. You can't be serious, right? That is. Thank you for tuning in to the halftime show Total Drama. Enjoy the rest of the